Okay, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Rap Lab. We got another Cybertruck. We just finished that matte blue one last week, so go check that video out. But we already got Danny taking it apart, and then we're gonna wrap it. So stay tuned.
So taking the mirrors off the Cybertruck makes it a little easier to tuck in here, wrap everything. 3 screws just on the inside here. There's a little harness you pop out, and that's it. Nothing too special.
Okay, so we got everything disassembled, and we alcoholed everything, and then you saw Enes doing the adhesive promoter. So we explained a little bit of that in the matte blue Cybertruck video. So if you have questions about that, you should go watch that. But it's something that we only use on Cybertrucks because of the low surface energy. Whatever that means. Danny said that. I'm just repeating it. Like I said, the map of the Cybertruck video explains it a lot better. But now we're going to start doing the doors first, I think. The doors and the giant pillar. So this is the color. It's a satin color shift. And because it's color shift, as you can see here, there's arrows. Maybe you can't see, but just trust me, there's arrows. So we have to lay it all in one direction. Otherwise, there will be inconsistencies in the color shift. I don't usually do it this smooth, but I know you're filming, so. All right, guys, so the Cybertruck is just about done. We just have the tailgate to wrap, and then we're going to put all the bits together, and then we're going to tint the front 2 windows and ceramic coat it. All right, guys, so the Cybertruck is fully wrapped. We moved it to this side of the shop so we can tint the front 2 windows, and we will have a video soon on how to tint windows, so look out for that.
All right, guys, so Cybertruck's done. We're gonna ceramic coat it, show you guys the ceramic coating properties. That's about it.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see more of. We have another Cybertruck in a couple weeks, and then we've got like a Porsche Macan. We got an Audi, some other stuff to wrap, so stay tuned. Danny,
Oh, he got the new shoes?
Danny got so sick of looking at my...
Hold on. I gotta get the...
He doesn't know how to put the camera down. Danny got so sick of looking at my pearly whites. He got me some Jordans. Instead of paying me.
Oh, this is how you do it?
Yeah, you can move that, yeah. Yeah. And then birdie, stop, bro. So, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Bro, I'm gonna be on camera, bro. Cybertruck is pretty much wrapped. All that's left is Ennis. All that's left is Ennis.